Here's an example of what you can expect to get something similar to in your $40 craft along kit. It'll have one of our limited print edition thank you cards with a handwritten note customized to you, at least two sets of whatever design we're doing that month with our laser cut wood jewelry components that can be used in your wire wrapping, polymer clay, resin casting, electroforming. You can incorporate them into beadwork, just all sorts of different ways. And we do usually have a tutorial that shows how we're using those pieces. Though sometimes we'll send you something that's experimental and we haven't done a tutorial on, just to kind of see what you all come up with it. Then you can also expect at least two spools of wire in a variety of gauges. We'll usually send you one thicker and one thinner. That way you can work with wire weaving, and they'll range in thickness from 28 to 16 gauge, and as well as come in a variety of different colors that you see us use a lot in our tutorials. Though sometimes we'll get kind of crazy with it and throw in like some purple wire or something just to experiment. You never know till you try. Now we feel like the real value of our kits comes in our one-of-a-kind cabochons that while you can purchase them individually off of our website, we try to give you a really great value in our kits. So just to kind of excuse me, get an idea here, these guys sell our tile cabs is what we call them, where we do like almost puddle melts and experiment with different ways of getting we're trying to encapsulate that Mocha Magane polymer clay effect, but in glass. These guys sell from $4 to $6 depending on the size. Our Frick cabs here sell anywhere from 6 to 8, again depending on the color or size. And then our dichroic cabs, depending on the color, size, and shape, sell from $8 to $12 on our website. So sometimes you might get fewer cabs than this, but they might be like bigger, like this, like these guys here. Or you might get more, but they might be on the smaller side. So, but this is kind of the variety that you can expect to get each month in your kit.